Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to convert BGR image to HSV image, nothing but hue saturation value. And we are also going to modify an image, nothing but only on H channel, S channel, V channel. I have already mentioned how to get as channels, nothing but by splitting the original image. For RGB, we got as red, green and blue channels, right? Here also we are going to get for HSV three separate channels, hue channel, saturation channel and value channel that we are going to see in this experiment. Now let me open the Jupyter notebook. Yes friends, now open your current working notebook. There is nothing new packages, you need to import only the CV2 package and one more is the matplotlib package. Just let me show because all the time I can't explain from the starting. Okay, let me enter again. Import CV2, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Yes, if there are no errors, it is nothing but the packages are installed. If those are not installed, how to install from the command prompt in the starting videos of this YouTube playlist I have explained. You need to watch those videos how to install and then you can come back to here. Yes. Now what is our main goal? To convert BGR images to HSV. Not HSV is also a color format only. Remember that one. A equals to CV2 dot im read of solar is our image name. It is JPEG. Yeah, you can work with any images, guys. JPEG, JPG, dot PNG, any images also works. But here you must and should mention the extension. We have read the image successfully. Now we are going to convert, right? And I also explained that I am going to split the image. So now first let me say HSV is one variable. Now we are going to convert the image. How we are going to convert? CV2 dot convert color of, yeah, first parameter will be our source image, nothing but BGR. Though you read RGB by default, it takes as BGR. Now I read that image. And now also one more thing I am going to perform. Yes. What is it means? Now we are going to convert from one form to another form, right? What is it? BGR to HSV, nothing but hue saturation value. Just run it. Yes, we didn't got any errors. Now let me take three variables because I am splitting into individual channels as I mentioned. In CV2 function we are having, yeah, in CV2 package we are having split function. We are splitting which image HSV. Just run it. Yes, everything is fine. Now PLT dot subplottings we are going to perform. Before that, to avoid the overwritings, as I told, we are going to use PLT dot figure of fig size, nothing but we are sizing the figure of the subplottings. Let me say some 20 comma 5. Yes. Now we are going to perform subplots. PLT dot subplot of how many we are going to display. I will display a HSV these three, 1, 4, 1, 5. Totally 5 we are going to perform. For merging I will explain with modification because our topic is not only conversion also modifying the image. That's the reason I am not going to perform the modification in this subplotting. Separately I will show it. So totally 5 images, right? One row, 5 columns is enough. and at position 1 there I am going to display my BGR. Then next PLT dot subplot of, at position 2 I am going to display my HSV image dot subplot of HSV. Next subplot of, at position 3. Oh, here not subplot, it is IM show function. Yeah, again here IM show function. And now I am going to display individual channels. For H, this is, let me copy these two lines. For S1 and for V one more. At position 4 for saturation channel. At position 5 regarding V. Now you can observe, yes, different colors, right? This is our BGR image, guys. The first image is, okay, let me give title for the clear understanding. Title of, it is BGR, and second one is our direct HSV image. Coming to third one, H channel. Yes, guys, if you remember, here in observing it is somewhat different, right? You can use the in this IM show. After the variable, you can use one more parameter, that is nothing but CMAP equal to gray, which we have discussed in the earlier sessions. I will also explain it. This is S channel, and the last one is V channel. Yes. Now let me say H after, let me give CMAP equal to gray. Yes, it is loading. Yes, you can see this is our gray level image. It is nothing but wherever there is hue in more amount, nothing but 100%, then it will be more white, and wherever hue is not present, it is black. So for easy identification, we are using it. But if you are, based on your interest, you can give whether you are willing or you are not willing in this case. Now I am just removing it. Yeah, here you can see my HSV channels, right? Now similarly, this is what BGR to HSV conversion. Conversion topic is covered. Now what is the second part? Modifying the image. Yeah, here we have splitted HS and V, right? Now how to make use of it? So in H I am increasing every value to, let me say, some 40. In S I am multiplying every value with 2 point, let me give it as some 3. Then in V I am, yeah, like this also we can give. This is nothing but assignment decrement operator. It is, if I will give here, let me say V minus equals to 5. It is nothing but V equals to V minus 5. That's the reason I have mentioned like that. So let me explain directly. V minus some 5. Just run those cells. Yes. This HSV are not variables, guys. Remember that one. Every pixel is going to increment, every pixel is going to multiply, every pixel is going to decrement, and also you can perform division, remainder, some that is nothing but performing arithmetic operations on image. That is the modification. Now, for suppose if I will display them, yeah, if you will merge this HSV individually, you are going to get this HSV image, right? Just a second, let me say individually, then we can look into it. Yes, you can observe a slight difference between these both images, right? There are some minorical changes where you can see here, right? Some yellow part has diminished and all. If you will give more value, let me say it as some 400. Yeah, Python integer 400 is out of bound for uint 8. Nothing but the pixel, for pixel the data type is this one, but we can't increment up to that much value. So let me give it as 100. Let me run again. Yes, you can see the complete purple color has turned to green color. Yes or not? Here you can see how so much variations it is showing. This is the performance of modifying an image. So let me keep it back as 40. Similarly, let me show now for S. Yes, if you observe complete S has become like this. Something like salt noise is present like that all. Now for V I will show. Then I will merge the complete image and I will show. Yes, you can see here more yellow part is there and here there is no yellow part at all in the borders and all. Yes, now we are going to merge this. Yeah, for merging, let me take m is some variable cv2 dot merge. Merge is a function and in this we are passing again one more. Yeah, we are passing h comma s comma v. Done it? Now we are going to display plt dot im show of M. Yes, you can see it is something like in MS Paint we mix all the colors and it will come, right. But if you observe clearly, you can observe the sun and these are some of the planets and all you can observe. But you can see how this HSV image and how this HSV image are, right. There is a lot of difference. This is what the modification of image. This is conversion from BGR to HSV and this is the modification of the image. Nothing but we are performing on every pixel, we are performing some operations. Here you may get out that for performing those operations, should we always do it on a single channel? No, you can directly perform on this complete image at once. I will show that. This BGR image is present in which variable? Nothing but A is our BGR variable, right? Now let me say A equals to A plus 90. Yes. Now let me display it. Here every pixel is going to modify. You can see this is from our BGR image modification. Yeah. This is my BGR image. On incrementing, every pixel will be incremented. In which case, if I will consider the complete image variable, each and every pixel is going to modify. If, yeah, for this hue saturation value, I am performing here operations, right? It is not going to affect the complete image. It means there will be a change, guys, actually. But this H is regarding only H channel. Only H channel is going to change. This SMV can be, this SMV will be remain same if we won't give these conditions. Nothing but only with H we are modifying and we are merging the image. That's the meaning here. That's why I have performed on every pixel incrementing also. You can see how those colors are. And if you observe in some animated cartoons and all, they'll show planets in some different colors and all everything, right? This is the applications used in videos processing. We are performing on images, right? These are actually linked to videos in order to create some animations and all. Hope you all understood this session. If you are facing any doubts, you can drop in the comment section. This is how we converted BGR to HSV and modified the image using OpenCV. And in the next lecture, we are going to see how to access and modify individual pixels. Nothing but I want to perform on some 10 pixels, this operation and all. We are going to see in the next class. Thank you.